Beneath a shell of solid ice, on a moon a billion kilometers away, something is moving. Something warm. Something that has been waiting in total darkness for longer than life has existed on Earth. This is Enceladus. And what we found here broke every rule we had about where life can exist. In 2005, NASA's Cassini spacecraft flew past this tiny 500-kilometer wide moon and detected something that shouldn't be there. Enormous jets, geysers erupting from the South Pole, shooting liquid water 800 kilometers into space. Not vapor, not ice dust, liquid water from a moon that should be frozen solid. Scientists ran the data 3 times. It kept saying the same thing. There is a liquid ocean under that ice, and it is active. The ocean beneath Enceladus is real. Confirmed. Estimated to be as large as Lake Superior, kept liquid by tidal forces from Saturn squeezing the moon like a stress ball, generating heat deep in the core. But here is where it stops being just interesting and starts being terrifying. When Cassini flew directly through those plumes and tasted the water, it found salt, silica, organic molecules, and molecular hydrogen. That last one stopped everything. Molecular hydrogen in those concentrations means only one thing: hot rock reacting with water on the ocean floor. Right now. Active hydrothermal vents. The exact same process that feeds life in Earth's deepest, darkest trenches, where sunlight never reaches and life doesn't care. So let that land for a second. On a moon we almost didn't bother studying, smaller than the state of Texas, we found liquid water, organic chemistry, an energy source, and the right minerals. That is every single ingredient life needs to begin. Every single one. On Earth, wherever we find those conditions together, deep ocean vents, underground lakes, acidic hot springs, we find life. Every time, without exception. We have never found those conditions anywhere and not found life. So the question isn't whether Enceladus could support life. The question is, why would it be the one exception? Right now, there is no probe at Enceladus, no drill, no way to listen. A dark ocean sits beneath 40 kilometers of ice, warm, ancient, chemically rich, and completely unreachable. But that is changing. NASA is planning a return mission, and this time we won't just fly through the plumes. We will analyze them properly. If there is something living in that ocean, even something microscopic, it is already sending pieces of itself into space, through those geysers, into the void, waiting to be caught. The universe has one rule it never breaks. Where there is water, where there is energy, life finds a way. Enceladus has both. It has always had both.